Welcome to this world. What can I see here? Eating together looks happy. Eating alone looks gloomy. There are two pictures. First one shows living alone, and second one shows living with family. Which one do you unlike between the two? Living alone. So our today's lesson is, can you live alone? After studies this lesson, students will be able to ask and answer questions, narrate assignments, participate in discussions, read and understand the text through silent reading. Look at the pictures and discuss in pairs the following questions. Number 1. Can you live alone in a house? Number 2. Make a list of the problems you think you will have if you live alone in a house. Having accidents, cooking, etc. Long ago, a young man lived in a beautiful place. But it was full of problems and sufferings, quarrels, ill feelings, jealousy, enmity, all a part of everyday life here. So he decided to go to a jungle. So he left his house and went to a jungle to live by himself. There he made a nice little hut with wood, bamboo, and reeds. Ah, how happy I am now, said the man to himself. But one day he found some mice in his hut. The little creatures soon made holes in the blanket. So he brought a cat. But the cat needed milk. In order to supply milk, he had to bring a cow. To take care of the cow, he had to bring a wife. At last he found himself in a family. Let us know some key words to understand the topic here. Feelings. Feelings should not be the quality of human beings. Jealousy. The boy feels jealousy to the other boy. Creatures. All creatures are essential for environment. Mice. The mice are the blanket of the plant. Blanket. We use blanket during winter to protect cold. Read the story and answer the questions that follow. So you have to read the story. I'm giving you some questions. What 5 things did the young man do in the jungle? Number D. Answer these questions by discussing pairs, then write the answers individually. Then it will be your homework. Write a paragraph. The problems and comforts of living in a society. Universal truth, man cannot live without society. See you again. Allah Hafiz.